Unlock limitless creative potential by transforming your own images into breathtaking AI art, right within Leonardo AI. Let's dive into the powerful world of image inputs in Leonardo AI. This feature allows you to use an existing image as a foundation or inspiration for your AI creations, leading to truly unique results. First, navigate to your image generation workspace. You'll see a dedicated section for image prompt. Click on this to activate it. Here, you can either drag and drop your chosen photo directly onto the designated area, or click to upload it from your files. I'm going to select this beautiful landscape image as my starting point. Now, this is where the magic truly happens. Combine your image input with a text prompt to guide the AI. Think of the image as your visual reference, and the text as your stylistic director. For instance, if your image is a landscape, you can use text like a serene fantasy forest with glowing mushrooms, or a bustling sci-fi metropolis. You can even specify artistic styles like impressionistic, cyberpunk illumination, or watercolor effect. You still have full control over other generation parameters like aspect ratio and negative prompts. This ensures your output is precisely tailored. Once you've set your image prompt and text prompt, hit that Generate button and watch Leonardo AI work its wonder. Look at this. You can see how the AI has taken inspiration from my original photo and transformed it into something entirely new, incorporating the futuristic elements from my text prompt. The composition is familiar, yet the style is completely reimagined. Experiment. Try uploading a sketch and describing what you want it to evolve into. Upload a character concept and tell the AI to render it in a specific animation style. The possibilities are truly endless. By mastering image inputs, you're not just generating art. You're collaborating with the AI, shaping its output with your vision and existing creative assets. Start exploring today and unlock a new dimension of iPod creativity.